Jason has contributed to over $100 million in net sales. I said that right, 100 million.
I started as an entrepreneur when I was 12 years old. I started my first business. I had my first employee when I was 13 years old. Whatever you do, really as a business person, as an entrepreneur, this is the fastest, most effective way to do it. For every connection I have, it means that you have them as well.
What happens when you fail? Like, what have been some of your failures?
I remember one of the products that I was absolutely confident was going to succeed. It was like, oh my God, this is like brilliant. It was phenomenal, and it was a great product, but it didn't sell. I know people who are struggling in their businesses. If I have the answer, I just tell people, no matter what it takes, you got to stand up for your friend.